Hey everybody, we're here at FDIC International 2021. We're here at Will-Burt's booth to talk to Dave Kotzmeyer, Vice President of Marketing for Will-Burt, about some new products they have. Dave, welcome. Thank you for being here today.
Hey, it's great to be here, Ed.
Yeah, thank you. So tell us, we've got a new product here. Tell us about this product.
This is the Mobile Sentry tethered aerial system. We see it as a next step in the evolution of elevation. That's what we're all about, elevating products, elevating scene lights, and this is our next step.
So what is it? What makes this different? What does this do?
Right, so this tethered drone system, so it gives us the opportunity to put enough power up the line to have real scene lighting that a firefighter or first responder can use on scene. Mm-hmm. We get 40,000 lumens from these lights. That's what some of our light towers have. So it'll light up a 60-foot area.
Can you show us a little bit maybe how it works?
Sure.
Maybe turn it on for us?
Yeah, you betcha. So here's an example of the screen. You can see how a user would have it, and they could actually just click that simply and you get the lights.
It's quite a lot of light. That will light up a lot of scene area.
Yeah, it sure would. It's an autonomous drone too, so it's as simple as hitting the deploy button and it goes up.
So Dave, are there other features you'd like to talk to us about with this device?
Sure. It provides persistent surveillance. It comes with both a day camera and an infrared camera. I can show you real quick. We'll switch it to infrared mode. There we go. And we can do color mode as well. And there's very many options there. Also, you can pre-program it. So it'll go up to a given height. Lights can come on automatically if that's what you want it to do. And you can select other predetermined heights as well.
Well, Dave, I know there's another product you want to talk to us about, so let's go take a look at that one.
Perfect. This is the other product I wanted to show you. It's NightScan IQ. It's what we call the intelligent light tower. It's kind of the next generation of our NightScan light towers. Mm-hmm.
Well, show us what it can do. What are some of the features it has?
Well, since it's smart, it always knows where it's pointing. Before it was, just on-off. Now it knows if it's 80 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and you can pre-program all that. So if you typically pull in the scene one direction and have your light in always off to one side, you can pre-program that, hit the auto up, it'll go to that position automatically.
Yeah. Can you show us some things? Maybe you can have it do some things for us.
Sure. So you can see on the screen here, it gives you feedback on exactly what position it is in. So we're doing some tilt. On each side, they can tilt independently, and we can also pan, spin it around. So it doesn't really matter where you park your vehicle, you're always going to be able to put the light where you need it.
And it's giving us some on-screen feedback to tell us exactly where it is.
It shows you exactly where it is, and you can pre-program it. So if you set, there's 4 different ways you can install a NightScan light tower in your vehicle. You pre-program it to the way it was installed, so it's always giving you the right direction.
So Dave, there's a couple other features you want to tell us about this product too.
Sure. This is compatible with multiplex systems, so integrate it right into the existing system in the fire apparatus and you're good to go.
So Dave, is there any place we can go get some more information?
Sure, you can go to Will-Burt.com.
That's great. Well, thanks for your time, Dave.
It's been a pleasure. Thanks, Ed.
Thank you. From FDIC International 2021, this is Ed Ballum. Until we meet again, stay safe.